Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Hacker as Tech Geek. And in this video lecture, you all are going to learn about Angular.js. Angular.js is a JavaScript framework which was created in 2009 and it was initially released in 2010. Angular.js is basically used to develop single-page web applications and Angular.js is developed by Google and managed by Google. Actually, the story of development behind AngularJS is very interesting. I will tell you later. First of all, what is AngularJS? Then AngularJS is an open source JavaScript framework that is used to build web application. It can be freely used, changed, and shared by anyone. It is an excellent framework for building single-phase application and line of business applications. Even with the help of AngularJS, you can build an Android and iOS app. I will also teach how to do that later. So now we come to the history of AngularJS. Actually, AngularJS was created as a side project in 2009 by two developers, Misko Havry and Adam Abrams. The two originally envisioned their project GetAngular to be an end-to-end tool that allowed web designers to interact with both the front-end and back-end. Havry eventually began working on a project at Google called Google Feedback. Havry and two other developers wrote 17,000 lines of code over a period of 6 months for Google Feedback. However, as the code size increased, Havry began to grow frustrated with how difficult it was to test and modify the code the team had written. So Havry made the bet with his manager that he could rewrite the entire application using his side GetAngular project in 2 weeks. But Havry lost the bet. Instead of 2 weeks, it took him 3 weeks to rewrite the entire application. But he was able to cut the application from 17,000 lines to 1500 lines. So congratulations to Misko Havry. Because Havry's success, his manager took notice and Angular.js development began to accelerate from there. And yeah, with the help of AngularJS, you can do all the stuff uh, which is which is possible in web development. Even you can secure your website with the help of AngularJS. And the main thing by for which we use AngularJS is the less line of codes. It is possible to make a website with less line of code with the help of using AngularJS. And in this video lecture, these are the things which I was want to taught you, and this is over. So in the next video you are going to learn about how to write our first application in AngularJS. So thanks for watching.